eating fruits on the beach. We just arrived in Mykonos like an hour ago, and we came straight here because our check-in is like at 3 o'clock. It's currently 12:20, so we decided to come here and just kill some time. But the water cold? Let me go try it. Because you probably exaggerating.
Okay.
I need to go no further. I feel the sand cold.
When we reach, make them.
Oh my god, that felt so good. Hey, oh my god, y'all, that massage was 10 out of freaking, no, I did actually 11. This bitch rubbed my back so good, like I almost proposed, like. But we're heading to the hotel now because it's finally time to check in. I'm so excited to see this hotel in person because it looks so good in pictures, but let me see if it meet up to our standards. Ooh. This place is so quiet and nice. I love hotels like this, like very private, very like not much people around. Yeah, look how freaking nice. Yeah, look at outside. We have a hot tub, but it's covered up. A little swingy chair and a little bed thing. Yeah, this room is so freaking nice, and this is our view. Like, but we have to walk. Look how steep this hill is. They have us on a steep ass freaking hill and we're supposed to walk down. I think they should have some stairs in the middle though, because never we fall. Who's responsible for that? The question is, we gotta walk back up.
Yeah, look for the stairs.
If they have stairs. But I'm telling you, you talking about you're going to walk. Now look, your knees buckling. Walking all sassy. We could have parked here for real. Go back for the car. You sure it's there? This look like more rooms. Yeah, the view is alright. This place looks so dry, like they don't drove. Yeah, but this hotel is so friggin' nice. Like, look, it's all kind of like separate villas. Next time we're gonna ask them to drop us up. Look at the cute kitty. Meow.
Yeah. Hey.
What? I look like a tourist. Thank you. So I get a bottle.
Think so?
Yeah.
Sangria is a wine?
That's the thing we had.
I know, but they have it on the wines.
Because it's a mix of wine and juice and fruits. This is such a beautiful area.
€100 for some white label.
Yeah, we lost as fuck. Like, we not finding our way back. We don't know where we at. Keep car not walking. That embarrassing. At this point, you need to ask directions because, and I don't even know where we're gonna ask directions to because we don't know where we come from. Maybe we gotta look for the parking.
I tried already.
Nothing is popping up. Oh, they have a Pandora.
Well, let's see what we have. No, thank you. Quiere perder combate y no vote. You kind of classic.
Yes. Hey, so we just come back from dinner and the place was so nice. I gave it a 9 out of 10. But we at the bar and it's so freaking cold. And they had to give us a blanket.
Blankets? Blankets are on the way.
How much degrees is it?
I feel like 12.
Damn, you done fucked up the whole focus. It's 18 degrees.
This is sick.
At least they gave us blankets because we were gonna go back to the room and didn't give us it. But anyway. That's smooth.
How you get wasted?
I don't understand why it's expensive. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day. Yeah, I'm so sorry I wasn't talking to y'all the whole yesterday. Like I was recording, I was taking clips and stuff, but I wasn't really talking much because like we were just enjoying the day. And we also like took a nap yesterday. We were so tired. We went to this yeah, sorry, I look crazy. I hear my little bikini because we're about to get ready. We have a boat ride at 10. It's currently like 8 something. And then at 9 we're gonna get breakfast. So yeah, so we're just getting ready. But anyway, like I said, yesterday we went to the town and it was so cute, such a nice vibe, such a pretty place. But we were so tired because we ended up getting like lost. Like y'all make sure when y'all go there, y'all track where y'all was and like pay attention and remember where y'all came from because it's easy to get lost. So we ended up having to walk up like a lot of stairs up the hills, but we're trying to get back out. So we ended up being super tired. We came back. We went in the hot tub. We had some lunch by the hot tub. I think I recorded that, I'm not sure. and we ended up taking like a long nap, and then we went to dinner by Scorpios, and that place was really nice. I think I recorded some stuff up there too. Really nice, great service, nice place, beautiful, super pretty. Yeah, and then we also went by the bar by the pool. We had a bottle of, yeah, we had got some bottles we were drinking, and then we came back, we were watching Netflix, and we were out. So yeah, that was our day yesterday. But today I'm gonna try to like vlog a bit more, because yeah, I'm slacking and I need this video to be a little decent. Yeah. And also for the Morocco content, I make content for like Instagram, not really like for YouTube. So make sure I go check my Instagram if y'all want to see like the Morocco content, or I might insert it in this video, because like, yeah, I didn't really. I'm gonna finish, get ready, we're gonna head to breakfast, and then we're supposed to get picked up to go to this boat. They didn't contact me, so hopefully they do come, because normally they're supposed to tell you like, hey, yeah, we're gonna be there at this is the time, blah blah blah. But wait, what the, where my phone was ringing. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then we have dinner at oh shit, it's too bright. And then we have dinner at, what is the place called? Y'all know that nice hotel where you will see Mykonos, where like they have the caves and like the beautiful view. They have like a restaurant there, so we also go in there. We have a reservation at 7. Over there supposed to be really nice. Yeah, I wish we could have stayed in that hotel, but it was sold out. But we're going dinner there. And they also have like the little water beds over the pool looking over the view, but we didn't get it because it was like 400 euros just for like 2 hours. You can only stay on it for 2 hours, which don't make sense. So we just went to the restaurant. So yeah, that's also what we're about to do today, and we leave tomorrow morning. So it was like a short sweet vacation. I love this place, it's so nice. It's too quiet though. It's very quiet, like the area we're in. Like here, like nothing's going on. It's super slow. You barely see cars, you barely see people, but it's really nice. Oh, also the hotel we're in right now is Nasta Suite. Also super nice hotel, great service, super quiet, super private. Like it's like little villas, so you get your own villa with your own like space. Like we have our little outside space. You get your own hot tub or pool, a little swing chair, and then a little bed thing there. You don't see anyone, you don't really see your neighbors. So I love this place. So if you come to Mykonos, you can definitely come here. I recommend this place. It's a 5-star hotel, really nice. But yeah, I'm about to finish everything. I'm gonna see you guys at breakfast. All right, so I'm ready. This is my little boat outfit for the day. Yeah, this shit is short. But yeah, this is my little outfit. And we're about to go to breakfast because I think it's 9 o'clock now. So, and we want to be finished eating when they come and get us. So, yeah. Tell me why this cat just jump on him.
He did.
Okay, so we just got picked up. And we are about to head over to the boat. Did you float me back?
Wow, glad. Hey, cool. I also want more view here.
No, Jack never been very.
Yes.
Sorry? I will untie it.
Yes.
Perfect.
Come, you gotta get ready too. At least this one ain't like the plastic ones. Thank God is this kind of canoe. With a flip over. You walking hard, you see.
But it's content.
As you should.
Make sure I like this video because
Okay, put it on one side. Just hold it on one side to turn. Hold it, just hold it. Yes. But shit, I just flipping the camera and thing.
What's up? Oh my god, we are on a abandoned island. Our boat over here, all over there, and we took the kayak. Well, we swam here the first time, but we took the kayak and we came back so we could come with the camera and phone and take some pictures. But right now we're going to head back. Yeah, I'm out of breath. He had me doing all the work on the freaking kayak. Now we're out of breath. They're still there with the jet skis. Yeah, so we're about to head back. I think we're gonna have dinner or lunch, whatever the fuck. Yeah, I am freaking tired. The sun is hot, but the water is freaking freezing. Like, water is cold. Like, we swim in the water. We swim all the way from there to here in this cold ass water. I almost freaking drowned. But yeah, we came back with the kayak so we can come with the camera and the phone, take some content. But we're gonna head back now and just relax, enjoy the rest of the boat ride. Y'all, the water is so clear. Like, look at this. This is some of the clearest water I've ever seen, and I come from the Caribbean, so imagine. But yeah, today has been so nice. We have some cool people on our boat. We're about to eat. I hope the food is good, because y'all know with these boat rides they don't even give you good food for real. We are going to shit and then where you going? You think I could put the camera here? Oh shoot. Oh shit. Whoop. Look, now I lose the paddle.
Fuck it, I'm a cow on this money.
You're doing the work, I want to record. I just gonna assist when I see you turning the wrong way. Oh, you need help right now? Just to get in.
Get in.
Okay, hold on.
No, I don't need help. I know how we are reach back our boat without crashing into all those walls.
For real? Yo, this is my phone. You have it? Oh. It's my first time kayaking. I had doing stuff I never did before.
Oh shit, I can't do this stuff.
Okay, let me
yeah, we need to get together.
Maybe, yeah, if I had a tripod, this would be so. Oh, I could hold y'all right there.
Put the phone.
Put it on the. Oh.
I know.
I have a good space underneath.
Hi guys, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Welcome to Meraki.
We have a. This is so embarrassing. At least we got a camera. At least we got a camera this time.
Yo, relax.
No, I'm falling before them lap.
Yo, listen, I get laughed. Yeah, I'm cool laugh.
Like, I'm like, what the fuck wrong you, bitch? Yo, stop.
Listen, you want on a straight fucking line? We couldn't find the car.
Cause we couldn't find our way back time. So how we find our way back now?
I can't do that shit tonight.
Yeah, last time we got lost. So like, we ain't got lost this time again. You confident?
I ain't fuck. I don't look at the fucking place. They say Pegasus.
But we couldn't find it on the map, so like.
Okay. Yeah, but now we typing it in. I know Pegasus.
But we typed it in last
We are
time.
parked by Pegasus.
Nigga, they're not gonna show up on the map.
Okay.
They're not gonna show up on the map. We need to show up. We need to find the gritter. And that's it.
Take it easy, take it easy.
Hey, you don't want that not taking it easy.
What the fuck you mean? You what is exactly come here for?
Yeah, hold my purse properly now. You have to sing it. Look at that.
Hold it then.
No, hold it properly.
Shit. Yo, what the fuck? Shut up.
Exactly how you to hold me good. No, nigga.
What the fuck? Come back here.